You say it right away. Listen. What's he say?
Why not people mean may you forgotten?
It's just the...
Tiny apple wings and belly button.
Yay! Belly button, Bee-Boo! You want to turn the page? This says, we hippos love our belly bees.
Surrounding seeds are funny.
And there's a place we take them to, and...
Summers, they are sunny. Come.
Bee-Boo!
Please.
Look at all the hippos.
With the belly button eat.
Do you wonder where they are? Here.
You're having trouble holding that book, huh?
Do you wonder where we are? It's
Belly button eat.
where tons of hippos stand around
Getting too little.
because they hope.
You might building on the middle.
Good job. We don't do much throughout the day.
Okay. We just get a little rest.
Yeah.
Is that a hippo?
Yeah.
That's a daddy hippo.
That is.
And what's the mommy hippo?
She's eating grapes.
Yeah. What happened to that? Happened to that person?
Oh, dear,
Happened to that
It fell on the
person?
ground, buddy.
Oh, there she is.
We always love to get...
No, that's a daddy hippo.
Yeah, that's the daddy hippo.
And now I don't see the mommy hippo.
Well, let's look at the next page. Maybe there's the mommy. There it is. Soon after dark.
I see that mommy hippo right there.
Yeah, and where's Caleb? And
Right
baby Ryan.
there.
And baby Ryan?
See baby Ryan? You see Caleb?
Yeah. Soon after dark, upon the
No.
beach, we sing our favorite
No, that's
song.
not the baby. That's a baby Ryan hippo, and that's a Caleb hippo.
Yeah.